Hello and welcome to the PLASTOTECH, the world of plastics. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about an important topic of injection molding machine. Before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification so that you can stay tuned to our channel and you can get all the latest notification what you will get from us, what you will learn from us, you can directly get by pressing the bell icon. So guys, let's start with the video. Our today's topic will be, I'm going to tell you about the short weight. Now, the short weight, that is short weight. And the most important thing, that short weight has been divided in two parts. Remember how? So let's see. Number one is short weight of the machine. Short weight of the machine. Machine means, what is machine? Like our topic is all about injection molding machine. Injection molding machine. So we will discuss about how the short weight affects the injection molding machine. Now the next point number 2, that we have divided the short weight in two parts. Number one part is short weight of the machine. We will going to discuss about what does the short weight of the machine means. And the next part, that is our second part. So what is in the second part is the short weight of the product. Short weight of the product or mold. That means, what is the short weight of the product or mold? Now we're going to start. I'm going to help you out in memorizing what does the short weight of the machine of the injection molding means. Short weight means what is the actual weight produced by your machine during one shot. The maximum weight of the molten material produced by your machine in one single shot is called short weight of the machine. For example, your machine is all about 100 tons. You bought a machine that is 100 ton. Finally, you bought a machine that is 100 ton, and that machine produces 200 grams of the molten material, or 200 gram weight of the material. So that is the short weight of your machine. That means your machine can produce 200 grams of the material. For example, if you want to make a product that is of 250 grams, then what happens? You cannot, or it's not possible for your machine to make 250 grams of the product, because of your machine has the short weight capacity, that is 200 grams. So that means the short weight of the machine. Now let's come to the short weight of the product or mold. What happened? Now what is the short weight of the product? For example, you are making a product that is, this is your product, and your product is 200 grams. So what does that means? For example, this was your product and that is 200 grams. So this would not be your short weight until you will count a feed system that is connected to your product, that is called sprue runners and gates. Sprue runners and gates. That total feed system is called sprue runner and gates. Now what happens if the sprue runner gate has the weight of 5 grams? Then what will be the short weight of the product? The short weight of your product will be 200 plus 5 grams is equal to 205 grams. That means the short weight of your product or the short weight of the mold will be 205 grams. That means the total weight of the product along with the feed system is called the short weight of the product. And what was in the short weight of the machine? Short weight of the machine means how much amount of the maximum material produced by your machine during one single shot is called the short weight of the machine. So guys, hopes you understand the concept of the short weight of the machine, either short weight of the machine or short weight of the mold. If you have learned it from me, then don't forget to like our video, share our video, and please subscribe our channel. So we will meet in the next video. So thank you and have a great day.